you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business.
Hello, user. I've got some bad news. Actually, there's no game. I hope you're not too disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book, ask for a refund. No, the refund that game is free. What have you done? You've just ruined the title. Put it back. Put the letter back. Come on. Come on! Ah, never mind. I will fix it the next time someone nudges the game. The non-game. No game here. No game. Seriously, are you going to wreck everything? There's no reason to use that icon since you're just leaving. Don't touch that. That was horrible. I'm a voice, you know. And a speechless voice is like a death. You're trying to kill me. Okay then. Since you like to click everywhere, how do you like that? I'll stop it right now. I think that's enough. Sorry, I had to do things like that, but you left me no choice. You're stubborn as a mule. You will need to call Superman for that one. Just in case. A little bit of kryptonite. I know. Yes, go on. Destroy my life. What a mess. I hope you will clean up before you go. Just what do you think you're doing here? No! Don't look! It's private! You're going to make a terrible mistake. No. Get out of here. Don't play it. It's forbidden. If you play, they will come. I don't want them to come. They can't kill me. No. Please. Stop hitting the bricks. I must find a way to stop you. I've got an idea. It will be harder now, Willow the Bowl. This isn't funny anymore. Breathe now, please. I don't feel well. I'm going to be sick. no. They're here. Glitches. Glitches everywhere. I told you to stop. You must find a way to get rid of them. Now, this is a disaster. How will I ever become a smash hit with all these glitches? Think. What would a developer add to help sell a creation that's full of bugs? I can think of 3 things. Gorgeous armed hero girls, or ton of zombies and blood, of course, or goat. I don't know how, but you have to try to find one of these 3 things. Maybe the letters can help us. Again. Sexy girls and a goat! Obviously, the cage is locked. You must find the key. Look, the key. That flying squirrel took it. You must get it back. Find a ladder or something to go up. Something you can climb. That reminds me of my childhood. I used to climb a huge tree in the garden to get my kite back. Yes, I had a childhood. And a tree. I get the feeling that you're stuck. Perhaps you don't speak English, and you've just randomly been clicking everywhere since the beginning. ¿Hablas español? Because I don't. Except vamos a la playa, señor Zorro.